I want to do today is show you the easiest Christmas card ever. So I really like what I came up with, but it's simple. It's so simple and easy to duplicate. I don't need both of those. No, I don't need both of those. Okay, so I've got a piece of Granny Apple Green, and this is going to be my card base. So it's 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches, and I'm just folding it in half for the card base. I also cut a tiny strip, it's 5.5 by 1/2 inch of the new Granny Green foil sheets. This comes in a package with Granny Green and Melon Mambo. So again, you can use it for Christmas, but you can use it all year round. So I'm putting adhesive on the back of this, and then I'm going to space it over here, about that far. It's probably about an inch. Let's see. Yeah, it starts about an inch over. Okay, so that's there. It just adds a fun little dimension, gives it a little something special. Then I'm going to take this piece. Now, let me show you these. These are the nested essential dies. So there's 4 like rounded rectangles. There's 4 banners, and there's 4 of this shape. I don't know exactly what shape that would be. But let me tell you, these are dies that you want to get. You will not be sorry. I have used these a ton. These are actually in our newest annual catalog, and I used them a lot so far as I've been playing with our upcoming mini catalog. These are great for all sorts of cards. So definitely get the Nested Essentials on your shopping list. So this is one of the pieces that I die cut with Poppy Parade cardstock. And I'm going to just set that right about here. And remember, at least when I think of stamping Christmas cards, I think mass production. I think, what do I want to make 30 or 50 or 75 of? I want them to be nice, but I want it to be enjoyable. I want it to be quick and creative, just like most of the cards that I make. So I'm going to take the second piece. This is just on basic white, and this is where I'm going to do my stamping. So I'm going to start with Poppy Parade ink and the Christmas stamp from the Merry and Bright. And I'm going to ink it up and just set it right about here. Okay. Then I'm going to take Granny Apple Green, which is the same color as the card base. Here it is. And we're going to take Granny Apple Green and use Merry. So we want it to say Merry Christmas. And I'm going to put that right above it. Okay. I'm going to leave this out because we're going to use that again in a second. Then I'm going to take my crushed curry ink and the little tiny star image, and we're going to put that right on top. Oops, and it stuck to it and flew away. So this is what we've got. This is our focal point. How easy is that? You can create, like I said, 30, 50, 75, whatever you need. Easy to do. You've got several colors. It's a fun, different kind of look with those blocks of words and then the star on top. And it's just really, with these stitched shapes, it's just, I just think it's the perfect Christmas card because it's the easiest Christmas card ever, and it's enjoyable to make. So that's the key. We want to, think about stamping, making our handmade cards for Christmas, but we want it to be fun. So starting early, coming up with a fun, easy design is key. So this I'm just going to kind of put right here. How cute and simple is that? There's one little other thing I'm going to do. Not necessary, but I've already got the Granny Apple Green ink, and this little burst image is in the stamp set already. So I'm just going to ink that up and add it right down there. Ink it up one more time and add it right up there. Isn't that just so fun? I absolutely love it. It's got the stitch shapes, different colors, kind of unique stamps there. The foil piece, I just think it's really fun and literally easiest Christmas card ever. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. A little sneak peek of some products that are coming in our next, I still call it holiday mini catalog. I think technically it's called the September through December mini catalog. But we all know it's all holiday stuff, so I'm just still going to call it the holiday mini catalog. So this is your first sneak peek at one of the projects that I've created. Like I said, if you could see this way a little bit on my table, there are stacks of cards that I've made that I cannot wait to share with you. There's literally like probably almost 50 cards ready and waiting to share with you. So stay tuned. Start thinking about Christmas so that it can be an enjoyable opportunity for you to make some handmade cards and send to all of those people that you want to send Christmas wishes to. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.